Bye. Hi. Hi. Okay, how you feel this place?
Very wonderful, very beautiful.
Oh, wonderful, right?
Yes, wonderful.
So come again next time, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. New sailor. Simon Cowell. Good driver, huh?
Very good. No, good driver, no.
Now we have a new driver
You're
from
not
Europe.
in safe.
What?
You're not in safe with me.
Why? No, it's safe. It is safe. And the handyman is there. By the river of Babylon, where we sat down. Good. He's a good driver. Row your boat gently down the stream. Nice.
I'm good.
Yes. So that's why. Bang. Siapa yang lajong mo? Sa comment. Sa comment mo. Driver, bye. KHLEM ត្រីស្ទឹមមិនខូចអេគុំនោះបៀងអាប់លេពេមកលិកលិមក Here good Đang malik và đang thịa Malik Malik đang thịa Malik Thế biết hấp ai bil yang ngili ngila tray stem. Thiệt xua. Ai bil yang ngili biết là tray stem ngi. Kita thiệt sama Malik mah. Good.
I want to pay, yeah? After. I want money, yeah? From the owner.
Good job. You clean all the plates. I'm cooking. Yes. Oh, community work. Bro, lang kuno setelah sana. Basang? Suan biang lik mah. Tumpang uri-ura. See you next week. Oh, karyong. Ma. Tayat na. Cameraman, yes.
How are you?
Good. So you came a long way from Italy, huh?
From Italy, yes.
Yes, Turin. Turin. I know little bit Italian.
For Italian people, Ivrea.
Yes.
Yes.
I know little Italian. Come stai?
Bene, tu bene, te?
Bene, grazie. Bene.
Male. Oggi stai lavorando?
Lavorando.
You are working.
Oh, lavorando.
Lavorando, yes.
Good. And I know ananas. They call for pineapple, huh? Ananas. And
You want to learn Italian?
yes. Ciao, 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 ciao mean bye bye.
Bye bye. Yes.
Ciao, ciao. Yes, I know.
So, it's a beautiful day. It's like una bellissima giornata.
Una bellissima giornata.
Una bellissima giornata. The sun is sole. Is easy. Sun
Easy.
is sole.
Solar. Sole.
Sole. Yes.
Una giornata sole.
Una giornata di sole.
Una giornata di sole. So you come here as a friend or a guest? Yeah,
you
came
are
in
my
this
friend. You
camp.
are my friend.
Yes, I know. You come as a friend, huh? And very work hard.
Next year.
Next year as a guest
I will come with my friend.
with your friend.
My friend and a lot of girls.
Oh yes. Oh, you bring my my Italian girlfriend also from there.
Yes, for sure.
Okay. You bring along with her. For I had Italian girlfriend before. So you bring along with her. I will call her. Okay. See. Mani very smart person. Very hard work. Yes, he is from Tamil Nadu. He's from Tamil Nadu. He's very hard work person and well educated person. Yes, he clean all the stuff here. All the utensil. He's cleaning. Yes. Money, look here. Nice man. Hello.
Hello.
Simon. Simon Gowell.
Ah no, this is a photo. This is the cool street in Meghalaya.
Yes, cool street in Meghalaya. This is the cool street in Meghalaya, huh? Not in Italy. It's more good than Italy, huh?
Yes. More than.
More. It's more good than Italy.
It's very easy, very easy.
Very easy.
We go fast in the street.
Yes, very fast, see? Very fast.
But the nature is in Meghalaya is the best.
Best, huh?
Yes.
Nature is best.
All is cool. My friend, this is the car. Badu, is out.
Where is Badu?
Where is Badu?
I don't know.
Okay, come.
Oh, he's coming there. Ah, my God. See the doors.
The golden hour, you know?
Golden?
They means the golden hour is on. The best funny Cassie.
Best funny Kasi. The best funny Italian.
No, I don't know.
Why you don't know?
There are
Ciao.